I wonder what it'd look like with my name on a play button. 25 subscribers. That's quite the way away. I know what to do, I'll make one, then I'll know. Sure, that'll do. Befunky.com, because Photoshop is too expensive. Image successfully uploaded. Now I need to put it in and size it just right. Next up, my name. Continue to stop being annoying. Slender the Blender. What font to use? I don't really care, just a tester. Make it the correct size. Change the color. And make the text box the correct shape and put it in the correct position. And done. It ain't the best, but it'll do. Now to save it and give it a super nice name. Downloaded. Let's make sure it looks just as we expect. Beautiful.